Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews. Now today we're at KZRV and Venture RV right here in Shipshewana, Indiana. Now this time I'm kind of running out of time, so we're going to show all the family of Venture products right here. And we're going to start with this 2027 Venture Stratus 231 VRK. As you can see, they've got a whole new skin out here. Nice pass-through storage. Now, again, all of these are doing this kind of quick fly-by footage. All the links and measurements will be down in the description. This is a really nice looking Stratus. They've done a great job on these. Let's go in here and take a look. This is the 231 VRK. A big king size bed up front, nice storage around the bed. Yeah, nice storage. Let's see, do we have open storage on the bottom? Now, he was showing me this table now. It will slide out if you want to like make it into a desk. And you keep going, you can flip this over and make it into one big dining table. Really nice design. You've got the fireplace down below, and when you don't need it, pick it up, slide it right back in. Nice TV right here, right across from your theater seat, couch with a pull down armrest. You've got a great, this is really nice. I like these 3 bank of drawers. You got this little counter space right here for a Keurig. This is a rear kitchen. We have actually seen this. We've got solid surface back here. It's really nice. And of course, rounded out 30 by 36 shower. There's your commode and a vent fan. All right, really nice layout right here. Let's go take a look at the next one. Let's see, you open this, there's your control center and of course one AC. Let's go take a look at the next one. Now, we actually saw this one at the Huntsville location for Great American, but they've called this now, this is a 2027 Venture Stinger LUX, model number 222 VUD. So you can see you got all this storage right back here on the back. Definitely put your e-bikes in there, and a little bit of pass-through storage right there. And let's go inside and take a look. Hey, bed. There's your dinette. Got bunks there in the corner. And you've got all this storage. Solid surface countertops back here. Bunk beds, 250 pounds. All right, let's take a look. Here's your fridge and the bathroom. Little corner shower. There's your sink. Mirrored medicine cabinet. Vent fan, got some towel hooks, porcelain foot flush toilet. All right, nice little unit. Your TV is over there by the bed. You've got one AC right there, 27-inch right here on the bed. All right, folks, let's go take a look at the next one. All right, the next one is a 2027 Venture Sporttrek, model number 327 VIK. So we're going to take a look at this one real quick. Nice pass-through storage. Like I said, all Venture and KZ is all Azdel sidewalls. And we got an outside kitchen back here with the griddle, a sink, fridge, and TV, and a little storage. Again, for all the weights and measurements, check down in the description of this video, and I'll have each one of them listed down there. Again, this is the 327 VIK. Oh yeah. Got your dinette right here. Theater seating right across is your TV. Your island. Solid surface countertops. And they actually put real wood right here on this countertop. So really sharp. And let's check down here. Pull out garbage can right there. Oh, I gotta check this out. Pantry. Oh my goodness. That is a huge pantry. Let's go back here and take a look at the bunk room. Nice bunk, pull down bunk right there. And you've got two over here. Got a vent right there. You got a spot there for TV. As I'm spinning around, I think there's a place you can put a table. And you've got all of this storage back here. Let's go take a look at the front of it. Oh, I missed the flip-up counter. In the bathroom, we've got a corner shower. Get this door out of the way. We've got, I've cut the vent fan off. We've got a sink and a medicine cabinet right there. We've got some storage right here for your linen storage. Porcelain, foot flush toilet. We got a little towel thingy right there and a little vent fan. All right. Moving kind of quick. Another king size bed in here. Like I said, there's that door, goes into the bathroom. Hanging storage here on each side. Big front windshield. And another AC right there. So that makes two ACs on this one. And there's that one. All right, one more. Let's go check it out. Next up, we have a 2027 Venture Sporttrek Touring Edition. Model number 343 VIB. We can take a look at some pass-through storage right there. Again, weights and measurements, I'll have those down in the description with each one of these units. And let me know what you think about these quick flyby videos like this. Outside kitchen with a fridge. Again, Asdale right here. And let's check this out. Got an island, there's your dinette, your theater seat. Right across from your, there's your entertainment center. I think we're missing a door here, but we've got solid surface countertops all the way around here. And let's check out the bunk room. Bunk here, bunk there, bunk everywhere. And you can put a TV right there. It does have a vent in here. Let me turn around. 250 pounds on the bunks. And let's check out the bathroom. Bathroom is also solid surface. Got just a mirror. 30 by 36 shower. We've actually got storage here on both sides. And a little storage under the sink. All right, let's check out the bedroom. Oh, these touring editions are really, really sharp. They give you some secret storage up there, another fireplace. We've got a 3 bank of drawers here. You've got this sitting area, another king size bed. Hanging storage here on each side of it. And if I spin you around, wow, that's new. You got a little headboard shelf up there. And then over here, we've got hanging storage and or a combo unit will go in here. All right, everybody. And let's see, we've got 2 ACs. AC here in the bedroom. And yes, AC right there in the living room. All right, everybody. You enjoyed this, let me know. We just kind of had to rush get these together. And if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, give us that thumbs up. And yes, for 20% off, look down the description for this video. We'll get you that off of Liquified. All right, folks, thank you so much. Big thanks to Venture and KZ for allowing us to be here today. And just go ahead and keep on subscribing, folks. Thank you.